Block printing artisans have been doing this for the past 480 years. Block printing is the essence of slow fashion, with each part of the process specialized by a different part of the Chipas community in the Bagru village near Jaipur, Rajasthan. From the carving of the blocks to the printing and dyeing of the fabric, finally the washing of the fabric in preparation for it to be packed and shipped with the help of 6 generations, and that are able to create a sustainable business that is still operating directly from the homes of artisans. Historically, it was once produced exclusively for royalty and offering in temples. This traditional art, despite the passage of time, has retained its original character and is less influenced by the popular market and advent of the cheaper powerloom products. The Chipa community requires 2 days to prepare a paste by mixing soda ash, sesame oil and cow dung and washes the cloth with this mixture. This cloth is now washed, dried and ready for the Harda treatment. In this treatment, the fabric are then squeezed to dry and laid down in the sun. Each and every stage almost requires the cloth to be washed in water and dried in the sun to remove the impurities. Nowadays, this technique is facing problems against the threat of globalization. This exotic art of creation is required to be encouraged in the present context of environmental consciousness.